Welcome to the Computer Education Unlocked channel. In today's video, I will show you how to install Windows 11 and Android operating system together. Let's start the video. Windows key plus R to open run. Type disk mgmt.msc to open disk management. Split some space from the C drive. Right-click on the C drive, go to Shrink Volume. You can give the partition size according to your needs. Shrink. Right-click on Unallocated Space. Go to New Simple Volume. Next. 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 Finish. New drive created. Then you need to download Rufus. Download. Double-click Rufus to open it. Click on Select option. Select the ISO file and open it. Click on Start. OK. The ISO file will be copied to the pen drive and become bootable. Restart computer. Android ISO should be downloaded. First I will open the website. Download from Fushub. I will download Android x86.iso. Clicking will start the download. Installation. Install Android x86 to hard disk. Select the new disk partition that has been created. Press enter. Do not reformat. Enter. Install Grub Loader. Yes. Create a boot item for Windows means that when the boot screen comes, an option will be created to enter the Android operating system. So it must be yes. System directory read write can be yes or no, but in this case I will enter yes. If you enter no, there will be no problem. Installation has started. Click yes to create the disk image. By default size can be left and entered. Reboot after installation is complete. Start. You can connect to the Wi-Fi network or skip it. Continue. Next. More. Accept. You can enter pattern, PIN or password or enter note now also. Skip anyway. Select taskbar and click Always. Android system ready to use. In the boot menu, first option for Android boot. And last option for Windows 11. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any questions or suggestions about the video, please comment.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.